Hello, so today we are doing a Nokoss seasoning. Nokoss is the Senegambian green seasoning that we use for almost everything. This seasoning is one of the best seasonings you would ever have for your meals. You can use it on chicken, meat, fish, even your jollof rice. Okay, so let's go ahead and start blending these stuffs. But before then, I will show you guys what I got. So here I have lots of garlic. I have one medium white onions, and then I have the red onions. This is half of a whole onions. You can use a whole onion, but I only have this left. And here I have some parsley, and I have green bell peppers. I have red bell peppers, 3 green bell peppers, 2 red bell peppers. I just cut them into half. That's why it looks like a lot, but it's two here and 3 here. Ginger, 2 medium gingers I have here. Oh my goodness, 2 medium gingers, and I also have some jalapeno peppers, celery. I like to put celery in my green seasoning because it just takes the flavor to another level. And right here I have a cup of oil, which is going to serve as a preservative. So this is going to help the seasoning last such a long time in the fridge, even up to like 3 months. Okay, but
Okay, guys, so we're gonna switch to a voiceover just because the baby is kind of distracting. So she's fine though, she's with daddy. But here are the dry ingredients, and I have black pepper, some Nord bouillon cube, salt, cayenne pepper, and of course a little bit of chicken. No, I mean vegetable seasoning, not chicken. So that's it. But I'm also gonna leave them right here on the screen for you guys just in case. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and chop all the ingredients on my chopping board and then blend them. We're gonna give this a rough blend as well. I don't want this knuckles to be super smooth. That's why I'm using my food processor. But if you want this to be very smooth, then I would recommend using the bigger pitcher of the Ninja, or if you have like a smooth one, like one that can really blend it smoothly, like a smoothie type of consistency. So yeah, sometimes I do a smooth blend, and sometimes I do the rough blend. I like both of them. So we also have oil. I just added a little bit of oil to the blend just so it blends nicely and quickly. And yeah, so one thing about this knuckles is that you can use it for almost everything. Like I said, you can use this for chicken, you can use this for your jollof rice, you can use it for anything. So most of the time that you see me cooking something, even if I season my food, I might put 1 or 2 tablespoons of this knuckles, okay? Because that is how good it is, and that is how much I love it. But yeah, so we're gonna give it a good mix because we're done blending, and just gonna go ahead and put all our dry ingredients. I am not measuring, I just go by what I think it's okay. I've been doing this for a long time. And also when you season with some of these ingredients, just do enough for you basically. So yeah, and we're gonna give it a good mix one more time, and then we are going to transfer them into our containers. And I like to use the glass mason jars. I think this is the pint size. I don't know, I don't remember, but yeah, I transfer everything in my glass mason jars, and then close it and also label it. Yes, I like to label my seasonings because I make a few different kinds of seasoning, and labeling it makes it easier for me. So if I'm not, I just usually leave one bottle open, and then the rest of the bottles go in my freezer. But as you guys can see, I already labeled this Nokoss, so I'm only gonna leave one container out, and the other 2 containers are going to my freezer. So yeah, guys, that is it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. By the way, my label maker is from Amazon. I just searched portable Bluetooth label maker, and I got me one, and this is the Nelco brand. It is so good. I'm so excited that I got it. Like I said, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.